Hey, this is Tanisha, and I'm continuing with the abstract challenge. This is the abstract challenge number 9, and this one I decided to do whatever I wanted. If you are familiar with abstract painting or the process of abstract painting, there's different stages that people go through, typically like a play stage, then a stage where you start to think, and then the stage where you complete it. And I decided for this challenge is that I was going to allow myself to just play and do whatever came naturally. I didn't care about composition or anything that you would typically care about. And to be honest with you, in the end, I really liked it, and I thought about it. I was like, what if we really just put out art that came directly from our heart? And maybe it didn't meet the rules or match the rules. Hey, that's okay. I think it's just being more like ourselves, and that's something that I'm always working towards, being more like myself. And you know, regardless if people like this or not, I like it. It came from my heart, and in the end, I really end up loving it. So I really hope you enjoy seeing this process. I really enjoy the process, and to be honest with you, all these different challenges that I'm doing has really helped me on this journey. And as I always say in other videos, I really hope you're doing this as well. Now, typically these abstract challenges are more or less just trying different methods, not actually completing a painting. But I love this one so much that I actually considered it complete, and I'm offering it on my website as an art print. It looks really good, and I'm just really excited about it. And I'm okay if it doesn't meet the abstract standards. So actually, some of the things that I'm doing here, I discovered in a previous painting I was working on. And as you do the challenges, you'll start to really learn and understand what you like and what you don't like. And I really like how the colors mesh together, and you know how I really try to blend them together. It's really something that I love doing, and it was just really exciting. Also with this process, I just spent a lot of time thinking about building up the background. I didn't really think about the finished product. Again, I was thinking, I'm just letting my heart do what it do. Let's just have fun. Let's do this. I didn't even plan the colors. Now, I did take out several paint bottles, and I decided, okay, I'm going to work with these, but I didn't even test if they work together. I didn't do anything. I just let my heart just take it from there, and this is what I got, and I'm pretty happy about it. And I think I'd prefer to paint like this going forward. I would rather not have to think about it. I would rather just paint and just paint from my heart. And I'm sorry to keep repeating it, but it's just something that I found great joy in, and it was really a fun process. I really just love trying different things here, not being afraid. It was exciting. So I really see the techniques that I've used here being a huge part of my what I use in my paintings. I just really love the subtle, like I said, the subtle blending of colors. I love the various colors. It is busy, so I can't deny it's very busy. And I've noticed when I look back at some of my previous abstract paintings, which I haven't shared on this channel, I can see a lot of it is very busy. And maybe that's just who I am. And I think learning how to respect who we are and being okay with who we are is so important. And for me, I'm still always a work in progress. I have not arrived at anything. I'm always learning, always trying to grow, always trying to work towards accepting myself, you know, the way that God made me. And I'm just really walking this journey along with you, and I'm enjoying it. So here I'm just in a flow. I have some really nice music in the background. I'm just really enjoying my time. I'm not thinking about, hey, these light areas versus these dark areas. I started to pull out my Prismacolor pencils. I really love these because they're permanent for the most part. And maybe they have different light fastness. So, but anyways, this was a lot of fun, just putting some different colors and details in there. I really like the details. I really like the aspect of putting hidden things in this painting. So the busyness is also really great for hidden messages, and it's just something to keep you interested for a long time because you have to look at it. And to be honest with you, even if you look at the photo at the end, you're not going to see it as clear as if you got an art print, or even on my website it might be a little bit more clear because the picture at the end was taken on my phone, but when I prepare it for print, it's a much better quality print of the art. So I put words in here, so you'll see that as we go along. I use stamps, I use so many different things here. It's in lots of different colors, as you can see. So I actually worked on this painting probably for more than an hour. I have over 40 minutes of footage of me making this. I sped a lot of this up, and everything isn't in this video because it might be longer than 40 minutes if I put everything in here. If you actually would like to see a full long video of this process, leave a comment and let me know. I'd be happy to put it out there. I just don't know if anybody would be willing to watch a 40 to 60 minute video, but if you are, there's enough people, I will do that because it definitely took a lot longer than what you see here. But yeah, let me know what you think about the colors, about the busyness. What are your thoughts? And you know what? It's okay. If someone doesn't like it, it's okay. It's not for them. It's for someone else. And that's how we have to think about it. That's how I'm going to think about it. I love it. And as I look at it, it has like when I took a scan of this, it just looked like a 3D image. It was just, I don't know, it was really interesting. Lots of interesting things in here, and just really has so much fun making this. I challenge you to do the same thing. Make an abstract painting, and just stay in that play stage, that stage where you're just inspired and having fun, and just let yourself be. You'll really, really enjoy the process, and at least I did, and I hope you do. If you like this video, please like this video. Please share it with people who you think would love to see it. and let me know if you have any questions. I hope you really enjoy the rest of this video and definitely stay to see pictures at the end of this video. Talk to you soon.